Welcome everybody to our Facebook page. Look at these smiley flower pots. Let's make it. Remove the yolk from the egg and then draw funny faces on it. Now we are going to fill it with green clay. Dab green twigs on it like this and then make flowers using clay and put all of them like this, and look, your flower pot is ready. Let's make this flower pot and flowers using straw. Cut this plastic cup and fill it with sponge and clay. Let's make these small pieces of straws. Now combine 3 straws together and paste all of them like this and make beautiful flower. Now paste all of them on this dry twig and look, it is ready. Let's make these smiley flowers using paper cup. Make multiple cuts on this paper cup and spread it. Now we are going to curl the strips like this. After that we are going to draw their face like this. Now cut leaves using green craft paper. Make lines on it and paste all of them together and it's ready. Look at these little flowers. Let's make it. We are going to cut green strip of paper and fold all of them in a zigzag way like this, and then we are going to paste all of them on this green circular sheet. Then we are going to make flowers using clay. We are making yellow flower, then pink flower, and look how pretty these flowers are looking. Then we are going to make faces on it and paste all of them, and look, it's ready. Let's make this clay flower pot. We are going to fill this pot using clay like this. Now add textures to it and dab twigs on it like this. Then we are going to make flowers and leaves using clay like we are doing here. We are making yellow flower and paste all of them like this, and look, it is ready. You can also add ladybug. Thank you so much for watching this video.